The State Disaster Rescue Force, police and the villagers today recovered the body of Mahamsing Sten, 38 years old, who hails from Klew village, Girdem Ribhoi district. Sten and his son along with his friends yesterday went for a picnic to Umyam, and while boating, the boat that they sat on was sinking. While trying to save the life of his 10-year-old son, he drowned himself. Speaking to Jaling Tamu, one of his friends said when the incident took place, he immediately shouted to the villagers nearby for help.
Iwan menin tradisional, iwan mudawan banja pangatnya berpun bat perlok. Kadang-kadang kuat Malaysia seliang, yang sim tu perlok ni kewegeling, disuli ibu istai arngon, lai bertrebar. Ternyata part ni sila pustang li syongkah tai. Kilawan pai yang terbaru insya Allah keling na yang masih punya mar kestiang kecuptek noi ka keling dan kata-kata dapat ngamar sui betek noi keling tengah cuper tanah yang niki tradisional kiwan rap nang ne apa sekarang rap ketika keling lain teli kiwan merek wistai dua hang na.
The annual Chat Sukra festival of the